Hello and welcome to another cooking show with the Tater Cowgirl. Eddie's in school. Today I want to show you a recipe. I started the Daniel Fast to, not necessarily for a diet, but to find my inner peace again. It's really stressful at work right now, beginning of the school, the academic year in the college. It's stressful with all these mandates in California and COVID, and my health, the stress made my health deteriorate a lot, and my husband has told me you gotta get down from your worry and stress level and not let you affect so much by that. And he's right. So I talked to a few friends and they recommended the Daniel Fast. I remember we already had a soup from that, which I got at Crater Lake. So I looked into that. I think it's something I can do. I will try it for 10 days right now, like Daniel did it the first time, 10 days. And then if it works for me, I do another 21 days. But after we go camping, as you know, we go camping to Bodega Bay in October. It's my birthday and wedding anniversary, so this will be after the 10 days of fasting. And hopefully it will help me to calm down a little bit and find my inner peace again. Those of you who are not Christian, this is not something you can do. You don't have to be a Christian to do the Daniel Fast, let's say it that way. So if you want to, eat whole plant-based, it's very similar to whole plant-based what I eat anyway. They do a little bit different. For example, I don't use olive oil. They allow it in the Daniel Fast, but I think oil is processed food, and I don't want to use it. I follow Dr. McDougall with the, the starch diet, so that's not something I want to do. But I'm all for the whole plant-based Daniel Fast. Only food like it exists in the Daniel Fast. You don't eat anything from cans, like fruity cans, because they have a lot of sugar. You don't eat sugar, you don't eat dairy, you don't eat meat, and you don't eat processed foods. So that's pretty similar what I eat anyways. But let's give it a try. And today I'm making a recipe. It's a lentil soup with butternut squash, and hopefully you like it. It's a iPod recipe. Woo-hoo! And before we start, I want to show you, for those who are interested. If you're not interested, it's okay. I'm not gonna try to make you a Christian, so you have to decide on your own. So here is in Clay's Bible is the biggest I can read it without glasses. That's why I like it. The book of Daniel, it starts on page 1349. Okay, so there's what they say is it's not about just eating. It's a whole way to cleanse your body, to cleanse your mind, to do something for your spiritual well-being. And we said, one of my teachers said, we are like, the coach is the body, the horses are the feelings, the coachman is the mind, and the passenger is the spirit, the soul, So if you don't take care of your coach, it breaks down and the soul can't get to where we want it to get. If you don't take care of the horses, they go through with your feelings. If you don't take care of your mind, the horses will go without direction, and nothing of the elements can be on their own. You have to take care of all of them. So That's why I'm trying to get on this 10-day spiritual journey and see what comes out. And now we are cooking. Enough talking. So I put you down to my iPod, like so. So what we need is 2 cups of butternut squash. And look at the, oh, I have to show you the, do you see the colors I have standing there? See that? All that here? Oh my God, it already looks like fall here. And we are, since one week we have fall, so it's a really good fall meal. So 2 cups of butternut squash chopped. Put it in here. Then we have 1 cup of chopped carrots. We have 1 cup of green onions chopped. Smells. We have 1 cup of peppers chopped, all kinds of colors what I had right now. We have this was 2 cups chopped little potatoes. And it doesn't matter what you use, any of them is okay. Oops. And we have 2 cups of lentils. I had them steamed, so I have them ready. These are 2 cups of steamed lentils, green lentils. Put that one in. I had them in the fridge, that's why they are kind of. Let's just mix them a little. Okay. And now the spices. I have 5 cloves of garlic. I have a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt. Then I have half a teaspoon of turmeric. I have a teaspoon of pepper, and I have a tablespoon of dried parsley here. So we get all of that in. Okay, and I have about 4 cups of vegetable broth, vegan broth, which we add. Well, I think we can use, don't go over the maximum, here is the max. It's like here, so I'm way under it, so I can do another cup of water. Don't be too, you want it all covered, so let's see how much I get in. I put 2 cups here in my glass and see how much I need. I think I can do it. Yep, max is, show you in case you see it. Here's the max. That's why I'm way down. So that is okay. And on the top, let me just mix that a little. Look, this is such a wonderful fall soup. It's like an artist has painted it. That's Mother Nature indoors for you. They paint everything for you. You know what I forgot? I put a little bit liquid smoke in it. So spices are okay, according to, and a little bit lemon juice. A little bit liquid smoke, a little bit of lemon juice. I love lemon juice. Oh my God, it smells so good. All right, that would be that. on top. I just put it on top. You can put it, you can cook the soup first and then put it in, but I just put it in right away, but only on top. This is a handful of chopped kale. I just put it here like on top. And now we close. Oops, what was that? Oh. When did that fall off? Let's see if that works. What's the wind? Okay. Now I'm at my usual problem. Get it closed. What's going on? Oh, I have it in the wrong. Okay. Oh boy. We put it on steam, not on vent. We put it on steam. It's closed. You see the. So we go on manual and we go 5 minutes. Okay, this is it. And after I let it go on natural release, after those 5 minutes steaming pressuring time, it goes on natural release, and then it should be done, and we look back in there. Okay, so see you later. Alligator back. So I let it about 10 minutes on natural release, which is the same like the warm, keep warm mode at the iPod, and now we are opening it and look how it works. We are not done yet, so let's see. Okay, let's get the spoon here. Oh yeah, that looks good. You see it, right? Yeah. See, what I do now is I take the immersion blender. I want it a little blended, not all the way. Whoops. Not all the way, but I want it a little creamy. I think that's enough. I want pieces in there. I don't want everything smooth and creamy, but I wanted it to get this the creamy touch. Yeah, I think that's enough for me. You can do it to your own taste, make it completely cream as a little creamy soup, or not at all. That is not a big ticket to, you know, to change to your likings. The Daniel Fast is more about you than certain like tiny little detail rules. You need to know how you want it, and it's your fast, so you are in the driver's seat. What do you eat? Okay. A spoon and try it. Now you can see me again. So I'm trying it for you. Yeah, you don't need more salt or pepper or anything. Perfect. Tastes really good. And There's a lot of fiber in there, in this soup, which gives you satiation. So that's important at a fast. They say the first 2 days you might have a little, you know, cleansing, you know, detox. You will notice detox stuff in your body, like body aches. But I haven't had anything so far. But it's just got started. I will take that soup, put that in little containers, and eat it maybe 3 times in those 10 days. I'm on it, and of course you get more recipes from me. For breakfast today I had my normal oatmeal with plain almond yogurt, 3 teaspoons, a handful of old-fashioned oatmeal, a few berries, mixed berries, which I have fresh, and a banana, some flaxseed, and what else did I put in? That's it. So not too bad, and this keeps me actually all day. I eat a soup now, and then maybe in the evening another soup. Tomorrow I cook something else. I don't want to eat of the same all the time, but I will let you know what. I give you a few good recipes, okay? If you want to do this, it's up to you, and make sure you circle the whole body, the whole thing, not just the body. So I try to stay away from the news. I try to stay away from big parties or something. Just at home I read the Bible. I want to study the Bible a little bit more. I don't know if this sounds cheesy now, but I want to hear Jesus Christ's voice clearer, you know, and I think then the fear goes away, which I have right now with all this stuff that's going on. So, and that will help my mental stability, and my sugar levels, and everything else that's not good for my health. Stress is a major factor for me to have high blood sugars, and I want to get rid of that because I don't want to have high blood sugars. Okay, thank you everybody for listening, and I will keep you in the loop what's going on, okay? Bye, and as I say in California, peace out. Wow.